Read it first. A gaseous mixture containing 5.5 moles of argon and 5.9 moles of carbon dioxide has a total pressure of 12.6 atmospheres. What is the partial pressure of carbon dioxide? So let's see, there are a number of approaches to this. The approach that I'm going to take, I know my total pressure. And I guess the only other thing I know are my moles of argon and my moles of carbon dioxide. So our approach this time is going to be to note that the partial pressure of any one gas is going to be equal to the mole fraction of that gas, which I represent by X with a hat on the back of it, which is the uppercase Greek letter chi, times the total pressure. So let me define this. So chi argon is the mole fraction of argon. And where the mole fraction is going to be just moles of argon over total moles. And there's nothing else we can do for this problem actually, because I don't have a volume, I don't have a temperature, I can't use the ideal gas law, so we're going to have to use the mole fractions. But that's not too bad. So that means my partial pressure of argon is going to be equal to my moles of argon over my total moles. So adding these up, I get 11.4 moles total, where I've just added these two numbers, 5.5 plus 5.9, times my 12.6 atmospheres. And then plugging that in, 5.5 divided by 11.4 times 12.6. I get 6.08 atmospheres. Oh, so yeah, that's right. Partial pressure of argon equals 6.08 atmospheres. And what I like about this problem, or what you might like about this problem, is it's pretty straightforward. However, it reflects the idea that of the total pressure, and total pressure or pressure in general exists because molecules are hitting surfaces and each of those collisions creates pressure. What the partial pressure equals mole fraction times total pressure means is that the partial pressure is only proportional to the fraction of molecules or the fraction of moles for each of those substances. So masses don't matter when you're talking about pressure. The pressure is only proportional to the mole fraction. Any questions about that?
Yes, Professor.
Yes.
Where did you get 11.4 moles from?
11.4 is going to be the total moles, which is going to be 5.5 plus 5.9. I hope I did that correct.
Oh, I see.
I did it in my head, so I always wonder. But yes, it comes out to 11.4. Any other questions?